Hey there, did you know that there exists a scale so deeply resonant, so intimately connected to the essence of our being, that its melodies reverberate through our souls like a whisper from divine? Did you figure it out? It is the F minor scale. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? Okie dokie. My name is Donya. I'm your ukelista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorials. And we follow our free play. The art through free play. We were connected to music and can create music without any big classical music knowledge, but we can create songs. So as soon as we know what we want to turn out beautiful and creating nice song. And today I talk about the lovely F minor scale. This scale is known for its hold within its notes, the power to steer emotions, to awaken dormant spirits, and to guide us on our journey of self-discovery. But as you figured out, if you followed my last tutorials, finally everything turns out in self-discovery. Anyway, in the realm of classical music, the F minor scale is revered for its profound depth and emotive potency. Its melancholic tones evoke feelings of longings and introspections and yearning for transcendence. So the music of F minor speaks to the depths of our hearts, inviting us to delve into the mysteries of our innermost selves. So yes, so beside D and D minor, F is really my favorite scale also for music therapy. But before I talk that much, first I explain for you how you will find the notes on the fretboard. So here was the baritone ukulele. We start here with the F, then G, G sharp, B B, C, C sharp, D sharp, F. And we can go ahead. G, G sharp, B B, C, C sharp, D, B, and F. Or we can start here. F, G, G sharp, B, B, C, C sharp, D sharp, and F. So you can just play it on the highest key here on E, just on one string, or in a really low layer, or in a high layer, or here in between. So be creative. And like you saw in the beginning when I did my intro, I was melting away with this lovely F minor scale and its therapeutic qualities, because the qualities are harnessed to heal wounds, to soothe the troubled mind, and to restore the harmony to our fractured souls. So through the gentle vibrations of its notes, the F minor scale has the power to elevate anxiety, elevate depressions, and it brings solace to those who were in pain. And especially me, I'm a chronicle pain client, but anyway, I enjoy it, and it's channeling me the forces of the universe to promote balance and well-being. So I'm so in love. It feels like it's cuddling and healing me and clears blockades and awakens the dormant forces of healing that is lying within us all. And it also will confront our fears and our doubts, and to emerge reborn and renewed, and we are ready to embrace the beauty and the wonders of life and all its myriad forms. So feel that and try to play that if you have the belongings to get rid of pain and I say mindfuck and all the bad dark things you have around, and confront yourself with that scale. And so you confront yourself with get connected to the universe and keep the anxiety away. So let us open our heart to the music of F minor scale, and let that haunting melodies which will carry us on wings to the light and places unseen and unheard and unknown. So in the sacred silence between the note of F minor scale, we all should find the truth and the essence of our being. There's nothing more to tell you. Enjoy the F minor scale, listen to your heart, feel the sound to which you were deeply connected, and create your own music through the art of free play. So if you want to be my Patreon to get further details and informations and a PDF, feel free to be my Patreon. Love you. See you for the next tutorial. Let's go in the round of G. See ya. Love you.